What's up YouTube? My name is Gavin Robinson and this is my Blueprint to Blue Collar Success video series. Over the next 10 weeks, I'm going to be doing a series of videos that go over what propelled me from being an apprentice to the youngest foreman in my company's history. A little bit about myself. I'm 27 years old. I'm a union floor layer and a member of the Carpenters Union Local 1310 out of St. Louis, Missouri. I work for a company called Flooring Systems Incorporated and they've been in business for over 20 years. I started when I was 15, still in high school, working summers and weekends with my dad. And when I graduated in 2008, I began working full-time. Like I said, my father's been a floor layer and he's been doing it for over 35 years, and I also have a younger brother who works with us as well. I wanted to kind of do these videos to educate people on the opportunities that they can gain through a construction-based industry, as construction is booming right now and there's a massive demand for construction workers. And so I wanted to let people know college isn't the only option out there, and through a construction-based industry you can learn a lot about hard work and work ethic and actually be very successful. So I'm going to jump into the list now that kind of goes over what I'm going to be covering in these videos. So if they sound interesting to you or you gain some value, please leave a like and a comment, subscribe to the channel, let me know how I can improve it for you guys. And after I'm done with this series, I'm probably going to be doing a vlog or a Q&A type series where I take questions from the comments that you guys leave and maybe even bring some other people to share other success stories in the construction industry. So the first video is the one you're watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As I said, the video I'm going to be doing next will be becoming an apprentice. It's going to be the steps you take towards getting a job. You don't have one right now, you're thinking about getting into it. It's going to be kind of going over getting a letter of intent, talking to your local hall, first picking the trade that you want to go into, and then contacting a company and getting hired. After that, it's going to be progressing through your apprenticeship, finding ways to provide value when you really don't even know what the hell you're doing yet, and then other things that you can do to learn how to learn in this new career. After that, I'm going to be doing a video on preparing to journey out, which is going to kind of cover the last year, the last couple years of your apprenticeship, things you should have learned up till now, and what you need to focus on improving as you become a journeyman. After that will be becoming a journeyman. So now you've taken that next step, you've kind of graduated from your apprenticeship, and you will be out on your own, you'll be in charge of some jobs, you have all these new responsibilities, and I want to kind of explain what that's like and how you can make the most out of that. After that, it's going to be a video called The Grind, and it's really going to be about honing your skills, becoming who you are, developing your values, paying your dues, putting in the hours, and really making yourself stand out from the people around you, and how to get yourself noticed in your company. After that, it's going to be a video on documenting your work, networking, and finding opportunities. You know, there's all kinds of certifications out there. I'm actually certified by multiple flooring manufacturers around the world, and am also about to get certified to become an install instructor. So there's all kinds of things out there that you can do to provide value to not only your company but the industry as a whole, but also documenting your work. We live in a social media age. You can take pictures almost anywhere, anytime, and so it's good for creating a future portfolio and protecting yourself in case something happens to go wrong in your job. And networking is huge too. Get to know other tradesmen, superintendents, project managers, people all around you that can really benefit by adding them to your network. After that, I'm going to be doing a video on becoming a leader. After you've been doing it for a while, people are going to come to you for information. You need to be somebody that people can come to learn, to confide in, and really develop that skill, as it is one of the most crucial ones you'll develop in your career. If you develop it, that will lead into the next video, which will be becoming a foreman. You're now going to be managing projects. You're going to talk more with the office and general contractors, trading information, making sure jobs come in time. You're the boss. You're the one who's going to be taking responsibility for a lot of this stuff and how to kind of handle that. After that is going to probably be the most important video in the series, and that's going to be becoming a leader breeder. One of the most invaluable things you can provide to a company is to create more leaders around you. One thing I always try to think is I basically want to teach somebody to replace me any chance I get, because somebody that can create leaders around them not only add to the value of the company, they multiply it, and that is just a skill that is invaluable and can secure you a career with any company for the rest of your life. So that's going to be a big video. And the one after that will be my closing video, which will be seeking greater opportunity. And that will be as you approach the end of your career, things that I've learned from people like my dad and other people that I've seen retire, opportunities that they can take outside of the industry just based on the knowledge that they've accumulated over their time, or even people that may have sustained an injury that inhibits their ability to continue working. With the proper work ethic and knowledge development over the years, there's still tons of opportunities that they could probably find. So I hope you're excited for the series. I'm extremely excited to be sharing it with you. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Talk to you later.